And the race is on. Queen's Prayer, the favorite, fast to begin brushing up Benissimo. Top-notch livelihood in between runners Rocket Touch, Think Tank, and Inner Class is the early trailer. Benissimo, livelihood moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Livelihood, Benissimo, Lucky Touch alongside his Queen's Prayer. Top-notcher is running in fifth by the Think Tank, Inner Class. And nearing the far turn, Livelihood, Queen's Prayer, Lucky Touch, Benissimo. Top-notcher, Think Tank. As they race the last 550, Livelihood by a length and a half, followed by Queen's Prayer, Benissimo, Lucky Touch, Think Tank, Top-notcher, Inner Class. As they race the final corner, Livelihood by about 2 lengths, followed by Lucky Touch. Top-notcher running by the Think Tank on the outside, but Livelihood by about 3 lengths, followed now by Think Tank in second. Top-notcher, Lucky Touch, and nearing the finish line, the horse of Miss Rita Pilapil and Alexis, number 4, Livelihood. Top-notcher, Think Tank, Lucky Touch, Inner Class, Queen's Prayer, and Benissimo to complete